With the RoomSketcher app, you can easily print and download high-quality 2D and 3D floor plans like these. Think of it as a three-step process. First, create a project. Next, generate the floor plan. And then, download and print. The first step is to create a project. Here's mine. Click here to save it. The next step is to generate a high-resolution floor plan. Click the yellow menu and click 2D or 3D floor plans. Professional subscribers have the option to preview the floor plan first. Then click Generate. It takes just a few seconds to generate a 2D floor plan and about 15 minutes for a 3D floor plan. To see if a floor plan is done, be sure to click this link. And here it is. The final step is to download and print the floor plan. Click Save to Disk. Over here on the left, you have letterhead and web image options. Choose a letterhead option if you want to print your floor plan to a certain scale, such as 1/2 inch on paper indicates 1 foot on the floor plan, or if you've set up text or a logo that you want to print with the floor plan, like this. Note that scale options are only available when you're on a PC or Mac. Choose a web image if you want to export just the floor plan as a JPEG. Over here on the right, you have letterhead format options and paper size options, ranging from A2, which is the largest, to tabloid or ledger, which is 11 by 17 inches, down to letter size at 8.5 by 11 inches. Note that the paper sizes are listed in metric and inches in the Help Center. You can also choose portrait or landscape orientation. Then click Save to Disk to save it to your computer or tablet. If you're connected to a printer, you can also click here to print, and then choose a letterhead or web image, these paper sizes, and the orientation. That's all there is to it. For more videos and tutorials, go to roomsketcher.com.